In this video I'll show you how to easily clear the YouTube cache on an iPhone. Be sure to watch until the end to avoid any mistakes. If the YouTube app isn't working properly or is glitching, clearing the cache can help resolve those issues. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app, then tap on General. From there, select iPhone Storage. Scroll down until you found YouTube in the list. If you tap on Delete App, it will remove the entire application along with all its data. However, if you want to go just clear the cache, you can use the Offload App option. This will clear the app's data but keep the app itself installed. After a few seconds, you can reinstall the app by tapping on Reinstall App. Once the process is complete, it will fix any bugs or glitches and install the latest version of the app. When the installation is finished, you can launch the app without needing to re-enter your username and passwords, as all the data is saved. As you can see, I've just reinstalled the app and now I can open it up. I'm already signed into my YouTube account, and that's how you can easily clear the cache for the YouTube app. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumb up.